What's up, guys? How you doing? Hold on, just gonna make my coffee. I just woke up. I'm not even awake yet. I'm trying to wake up. Good coffee. This stuff's the best. French vanilla. Joey's already squawking away. Feed me, feed me. So, let's go feed him. I know, Joey, we're right here. Say hello to everybody. Say hi. Yes, I know. It's okay, buddy. We're over here. I know, honey, you can't see. It's over here. Oh, good boy. You ate your strawberry. Alright, we'll give you some more. Joey, you shit everywhere, and I just cleaned your cage. I know. Don't worry, bro. I got you, buddy. I know, right here. Alright, good boy. Alright, you want some more? Here's another one. Little wormy worm. There you go. Alright, want to start? Hold on, bud. I got you. Oh, you missed it. It's okay. It's right here. Joey, alright, come over here. Come over here. There we go, okay? Good boy. You're very cute, we know. He leaned so far back. He's blind. He can't see anything. He is. He's completely 100% blind. I mean, I think he can see shadows. Like, he knows when it's daytime and he knows when it's nighttime because of the darkness and the lightness of the shadow contrast. But other than that, he can't see at all. I know, buddy. Right here. I got you. We're gonna have to clean your cage again. Right here. Come on. Chirp chirp. You don't want it? Come on. You see yourself? Can you see anything? I feel bad for him, I really do. I didn't know he was blind until maybe I don't know. It took a week for his eyes to open because he was like a real baby when I got him. But yeah. He has an ulcer in his right eye. So there's a vet tech that's gonna come out and pick him up for me. That is actually a bird rehabber. She's going to come and take custody of him for me so that he can receive the proper eye treatment that he needs because I can't give it to him. Say hi, buddy. Say hi. Oh, I know, you're so pretty, aren't you? Yes, you are. Give me another piece. There you go, bud. Oh, buddy, you just missed it. All right, come a little forward. Over here. Okay, right there. Come on. Good boy. That's a good boy. All right. We'll be right... There you are. We'll be right back. Let's go sneak up on Bailey. What's up? How you doing? Say hi to everybody. Say hi, everyone. Daddy, will you hold the freaking camera still? You need my good old bunny ears. Bunny ears. My baby. I love my little baby. He's my little baby. What are you looking at? Yeah, clean your eye. Clean your eye. Where you going? What you doing, bud? Are you looking outside? He's my baby boy. Right. So now you know Joey. Now you know, well, you don't really. Yeah. A little bit of a... I wanted to put on video anyway, because Joey's going to be gone and I'm not going to see him ever again. Today's Saturday, July 9th, and, yep. So I don't know how much longer I have with him. I think just a couple of days. So we'll see. He is a baby robin now. Only about a month old. Look at you. Everybody wants to see you. Joey. Joey. Are you my little buddy? Huh? Okay. From my house to yours, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the rebound. Later. Let's try it one more time.